I wanted to show you these videos that I found. So if you see the Word Module 4 and Administrative Tech, you click this down arrow, you'll see the reading assignment, the training, and then there's a little folder right here, Word Module 4 SAM videos. If you click that, it drops down, and if you click on it, it shows each step a little video of how to do that. So instead of the textbook, the students should probably be able to go and format a page border or a paragraph border, and then click play, and the little
Click
video
in the paragraph surrounded by the box border
should show them how. Or you could also copy your textbook instead of ordering new. But there's all these videos. And don't forget to do the hidden, because you have the 4 exam and the project 2. This is for admin tech.